Every time ChatGPT writes you a paragraph or Dolly paints you a picture, the same invisible machine is doing the heavy lifting. It's called a transformer, and without it, modern AI wouldn't exist. Before transformers arrived in 2017, AI models could barely keep track of a full sentence. They read text one word at a time, like scanning with a flashlight in the dark, forgetting what came before. Long paragraphs turned into gibberish because the model had no memory of the beginning by the time it reached the end. Translation was clunky, conversation was impossible, and generating coherent stories was a fantasy. The transformer breakthrough was attention. Instead of reading word by word, transformers look at every word in a sentence simultaneously and figure out which words matter to each other. When you read "the cat sat on the mat because it was tired," a transformer instantly connects it back to cat, not mat. It builds a map of relationships across the entire input at once, weighing what's important and what's just noise. That's the self-attention mechanism. And it's why transformers can handle paragraphs, pages, even entire books without losing the thread. Transformers also parallelized everything. Old models had to process words in strict order, one after another, like a single file assembly line. Transformers split the work across hundreds of processors at once, analyzing on every word simultaneously. Training that used to take months now takes days. Scaling became possible. Researchers stacked transformer layers dozens deep, fed them trillions of words, and watched capabilities explode. GPT, BERT, Claude, Gemini, they're all transformer architectures at the core. Today, transformers aren't just reading text. They're generating images from descriptions, holding proteins to design new medicines, writing code, composing music, and even controlling robots. The same attention mechanism that figured out which words relate in a sentence now figures out which pixels belong together in an image, or which amino acids bond in a protein. One architecture, 1,000 applications. That's the transformer revolution. So the next time AI understands your question perfectly, or generates something that blows your mind, remember, it's a transformer connecting the dots, seeing patterns across everything at once. That's the engine behind the AI revolution. If this clicked for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI explained with 3D visuals.